We help people have a great retirement lifestyle. The funny thing is though, some people haven't contributed and they need to catch up, or they'd love to catch up and put more into superannuation. Saying that, some people also have maybe sold an asset and have got like a large tax bill this year, and there's some extra benefits for putting a larger contribution into super in a particular year. Now there are a few rules about this, so I'm just going to explain and demystify the potential strategies for you. I'm going to draw my swimming pool just to explain again about how to put money into super. Now there's two ways. There's one way where we put money in from a company, or we can put money in personally and we can claim a tax deduction. Now the maximum we can do here is $30,000. However, if you've got a balance under $500,000 in your superannuation, the government allows you to actually contribute more than this $30,000. Now this generally happens if in the past you haven't been contributing up to the limit each year. So let's just say, for example, you may have been not contributing, or maybe your partner, for example, was on maternity leave and spent a number of years not working. Or maybe you actually had retired and for a number of years contributions weren't going into your super. So what the government allows us to do is, let's just say, I'm just going to say the best case scenario, you haven't contributed for 5 years. What the government allows you to do is what's called the catch-up contributions. And you can contribute $150,000 into super. So instead of 30, this can become $150,000. Now the benefit for that is twofold. One is we can get more into super, but the second thing is we can claim a tax deduction for up to $150,000. So you can imagine if you're at a really high income and your accountant or a financial advisor said we can get you a $150,000 tax deduction, you'd be over the moon. Or for example, let's just say, for example, you'd sold a property and there was capital gains tax to pay. If you wanted to put more money into super for your retirement, you get an added benefit where you can claim up to $150,000 as a tax deduction. I hope this was really helpful, but as you can understand, this is quite a complicated topic, so I really recommend that you seek advice. So please reach out or message me and we'd love to help you. Thank you.